Did you know the scientist who trained dogs to drool also trained humans to break? Ivan Pavlov didn't just experiment on animals, he had a secret program using real people. In hidden Soviet facilities, Pavlov turned prisoners and political enemies into test subjects. They locked people in soundproof rooms for weeks. No light, no human contact, just darkness and silence. They kept soldiers awake for days until their minds snapped. Then they studied how to rebuild their thoughts. Pavlov called it science, but survivors called it torture. One former prisoner described being strapped to a chair while lights flashed and sounds blasted for hours. They were training his brain like a lab rat. The Soviets used these methods to break captured spies, to turn their own people into perfect soldiers. Files show hundreds of subjects. Most never left those facilities. The same man who won a Nobel Prize for studying dog behavior was secretly destroying human minds. Pavlov's real legacy wasn't just making dogs salivate, it was proving that any mind could be broken and rebuilt, even yours.